Last week, as I shared, Microsoft released the newest optional bug fix update for Windows 11, versions 25 and 24H2, called KB5074105. I made a post about the update. I'll link the video if you want more details because there was quite a bit happening. It was a major update. Now, I want to tell you that after launching the update, Microsoft has changed the update notes with a modification, where basically Microsoft is including an additional security protection for system files, where the operating system now won't allow you to open your storage settings if you don't have administrator rights. So in simple terms, you will see a UAC prompt, user account control, when going to Settings, System, Storage. Now the reason I'm showing you a picture of the UAC is because the screen recording tool will not capture the pop-up on my computer because this is basically a pop-up that appears on top of what you're currently seeing. And then you would click yes to obviously permit this app to make changes to your computer. So that's basically what that's all about. Now Microsoft officially states that to help make sure that only approved Windows users can view system files, Windows now shows a user account control UAC prompt when you open storage settings. So if we go to our settings, system, storage, now what you're going to see is just a dark screen in the video. But there's actually a UAC message that I'm looking at right now. Remember, the screen recording tool is not capturing the pop-up, and then if you click on yes, as shown in the picture, you can reach your storage page. And on this page, in case you didn't know, it allows you to control all storage-related things and run cleaning processes by removing temporary files, and on this page, you can also enable Storage Sense. You've got cleanup suggestions, and you've got advanced storage options, and if we go to our old control panel, user accounts, this is where you can enable or disable UAC, user account control. Now, I, personally for regular use on this computer, keep it off because I don't need to be asked all the time with UAC control warnings. And I have made a video about that in the past when I first started this channel. But if you have it enabled as shown, then you will see as stated a user account control warning when you now try to access storage settings after installing the update. So I just wanted to make this quick video because that was a change Microsoft made to the update notes after the update came out, and just wanted to keep us all informed. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows updates and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.